Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Maytag top load washer. The customers complain is that they're having a lot of grinding noise when the washer goes to the full spin cycle. So I got here, went through Diagnostic. The first thing I found was the F70 error code. F70 error code is communication problem between the display board, wiring harness and main control board, which that's not my problem. So I'll show you this washer that I'm getting F70 error code, and I'll go through Diagnostic first. To go through Diagnostic, you can choose any of these buttons, and you're gonna have to hold it for 4 seconds, release it for 4 seconds, press it for 4 seconds, release it for 4 seconds, press it for 4 seconds, and then release it again. It goes through Diagnostic. If there is any kind of error code on the washing machine, it will pop up there. F70, it doesn't mean anything to me at this moment. I have to check my other stuff in here. So turn the dial clockwise, one dial or 1 click, and then it's gonna start filling with water. And then turn it again, turn it again. It's making humming noise. It should be filling at this moment, so I would ignore that too. Number 3, number 4, 5, and then it's gonna go to the spin cycle on number 6. 6 number spin. OL. That's telling me that the washer is not balanced, and I will show you. The washing machine is also leveled. So to check your washing machine if it's level or not, you see this circle around the washing machine. You want to make sure it's straight to the part of the top cabinet here. If it looks like that, then that's a problem. If it looks a little bit off like that, that's a problem. If it looks like that, that's the problem. If it looks like this, that's the problem. So at this moment, the washer looks perfectly fine. I do not see any problem. The main problem I have on this washing machine is the bearing, and that needs to be replaced. Let's see here. When these washers are making grinding noise, it doesn't mean it's the bearing all the time. You also have to check something here before you jump into the bearing. What you can do, you have to pull the washer out, tilt it on its back, which I'm gonna do. I cancel the Diagnostic, so it's draining all the water, and then it's gonna shut off, and then I can pull the washer out. And when you tilt the washer, be careful to not pinch any of the hoses. So I'll get my phone here. Okay, so you see the bottom of the washing machine. So far the bearing is not damaged badly that would cause the washer to leak, but over time when the bearing breaks or it gets defective, or the seal goes bad on the bearing, it leaks straight from here, and you would see water splash all over the places. I don't see it, it's not worse, but we need to replace the bearing. Before you jump into the bearing, you also want to check something here. You see that bolt at the center of the motor? You want to use a 1/4 inch Allen key or a drill bit. That's 1x4. Stick it in there. Use your ratchet or if you have a screwdriver, you can use in here and retight this and see if that makes a difference. Because on these units, I've also seen that if this bolt comes off, customer will also call and complain about the grinding noise. And by retightening this, you will fix that issue, which I'm going to show you. I will put this on my drill. So if I open it, you can see. You see how easy it drops? You want to retight it all the way. It's all the way retight. And now we are gonna run the washer again. So I will go through Diagnostic again. You can go through Diagnostic only on these buttons. Do not go with the start and power, it may not work. So again, we still have F70. So I want to go straight on C6. C5 isn't fine. OL. Okay. When you're going through Diagnostic, be careful that you want to make sure the washing machine is empty. There's no clothes or nothing, because if you have clothes, it's gonna damage something and you will have more problems. On these washers, they also have a service bulletin that customer complains that the washer is leaking from the bottom, but in fact it's leaking from one of these. And on the service bulletin, you have to replace all those three at the same time, and that will take care of the leakage issue on these units. So I have confirmed that the problem is the bearing on this unit. At this stage, it's not worth fixing, because the drum looks a little bit lower than normal. The bearing has gone bad on it. The unit is over 7 years old. They usually last between 5 to 7 years, so it's on its last leg. So I'm gonna close the video right now. If you guys have any question, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.